So one of the common objections I get is, I don't think I qualify. Well, like I like to remind people, over 400,000 businesses qualify and only 75,000 businesses actually claim the credit. So if you think of that, it's only about 20% of the companies out there that are eligible for the credit actually claim it. 80% who are eligible don't claim it. So there's probably a good chance that you do qualify, and I'd like to tell you how you can. So the issue is that most CPAs don't understand the nuances of these credits, how they really work, and actually how to tell if you qualify for them. So if you get on the phone with some of the firms that are out there that actually do these tax credits, you're going to end up far more confused than when you ever started, and it's going to take an hour of your time, bore you to death, confuse you with all this nomenclature, and they're just going to end up telling you that you don't qualify. And the reason is that a lot of these firms, which are competitors, try to feel like they're demonstrating their technical expertise is more important than actually just getting to the bottom line, determining yes or no, do you qualify, and getting off the phone. So we think the opposite's true, right? Somebody who shoots you straight and gets you to an answer quickly is actually far better than someone who's going to just blab away and make some sort of indeterminate promises about whether you qualify or not. So basically here it is. If you spend money on engineering services, if you spend a significant amount on custom software, or even adapting your off-the-shelf software to your customized use, there's a good likelihood that you qualify. If you spend a lot of time reconfiguring your assembly or your manufacturing space or testing different equipment and different materials, pretty good chance that you qualify. But in 15 minutes, we can actually determine yes or no if this is something that's worth exploring deeper, so we don't waste your time. And if it does seem like you qualify, we obviously will do a deeper dive into your payroll, your tax returns, and some of the other information about how your company is set up and what kinds of activities you're actually doing. But we save that for a follow-up call because we really just want to determine when we initially speak whether or not it's worth pursuing. So imagine the happiness and the surprise of the owner of the healthcare SaaS company that we helped when we found him over $500,000 of credits. It was totally out of this world. But I don't want to set your expectations that high. The average credit that we typically find is maybe $70,000 to $100,000. But that's still real money. Don't care how big you are. So based on what I've covered here, just very briefly, if it sounds like there's any remote chance that you might qualify and you spend more than a couple $100,000 a year on payroll or consultants, don't be nervous about reaching out and scheduling a time to chat. We're not going to pitch you anything. We only get paid if we can recover money for you. So it has to be both in our interests and in your interest to move forward. But it's pretty simple. So hopefully you qualify and we can put a little money in your pocket, a little money in our pocket, and push forward, on both of our dreams. So look forward to speaking to you soon. Talk to you later.